case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1944, a landmark case known as Korematsu vs. United States was heard by the Supreme Court of the United States. This case set the stage for a sharp examination of governmental power during wartime and the balance between individual rights and national security. At the heart of the case was a Japanese-American citizen who had been convicted for defying an exclusion order during World War II. This order remained in effect on the West Coast, prohibiting all people of Japanese descent from residing in the area. This was enacted due to military concerns over potential threats to national security from within this community. Initially, the lower court upheld the exclusion order and ruled it constitutional. Despite the fact that the loyalty of the petitioner to the United States was not in question, the order was considered necessary in view of the extraordinary circumstances of war. Affirming a sobering, though contentious, principle, the court held that restrictions limiting the civil rights of a single racial group might be justified under dire circumstances, given a clear and present danger to national security. Taking up the case on appeal to the Supreme Court, the justices were tasked with weighing the constitutionality of such a drastic order in the context of a national state of emergency. The High Court upheld the lower court's decision, ruling that the exclusion order was constitutional and born out of military necessity rather than racial prejudice. Falling short of passing judgment on the legality of the petitioner's detention, the Supreme Court emphasized the important role of citizens in complying with wartime restrictions, even in the face of potential infringements on their constitutional rights. This ruling underscored the court's belief in the primacy of national security during periods of intense conflict, thus setting a precedent for future cases of this nature.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.